What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm gonna give you another case study. I'm gonna show you how to make money online with ridiculous trends like flat earth and flat earth theories and a bunch of other things and fads, okay? You're gonna learn how to do this without using any paid traffic, without doing any type of video creation, without doing any type of content writing or drop shipping for that matter, okay? The cool thing about today's method, again, it's asset building, newbie friendly, and it's a passive income stream. Also, watch the video to the very end to fast track your way to results. And make sure to like and subscribe. So check this out. This happened on the 20th of January. Congrats Ike Paz, you just saw the product. And if you see here, I sold a sticker for 75 cents. Flat earthers help make the earth flat again. So you can see here's a product I sold, and it's just a satirical take on the whole flat earth theory. Instead of like make America great again, it's help make earth flat again. I created this because, well, I know flat earth is a trend. Here's another example. Atheist Clash of the Titans. I saw a meme going around, a similar meme to this product. As you can see, it's a statue of Jesus. Medusa 1, Jesus 0. This is another example of what I mean, okay? Here's another one. I profited 11 bucks here on Game of Cradles. Now, if you don't understand, this means Game of Thrones inspired product. And this is a printable. You got House Stork instead of House Stark. You have instead of Targaryens, I have House Trimester. Okay, so 3 heads of the dragon and trimester as in pregnancy. And instead of House Lannister, I have House Lactation. Okay, so as you can see, it's ridiculous, but I make profit on this, okay? And this, I make profit with these types of products on a daily basis, okay? And these are passive income. I made this product maybe 2 years ago or so, or 3 years ago, just when Game of Thrones started becoming like a nationwide sensation, okay? Here's another thing I make money off of, what are called referral payments. This is money, basically royalties, okay? So when when other marketers, I guess, sell my t-shirts and my stickers and my POD mugs, I get a piece of that action as well, okay? It's not much, but it adds up, okay? And of course, you can sell these types of products, printables, POD products like these, on sites like Etsy. Now, what Etsy has going for it has built-in traffic, okay? So does Sunfrog. Sunfrog is a t-shirt POD. POD, if you don't know, is print-on-demand t-shirt, print-on-demand products. It'd be mugs, t-shirts, things along those lines, stickers. Amazon, okay? Amazon is a place where you can sell anything. Of course, Amazon. Now, here's the thing. These sites like Sunfrog, Etsy, Amazon have their own built-in traffic, okay? People are searching on these sites to buy something. It's not like Google, it's not like YouTube, where they can be searching for all types of things, or all types of reasons, I should say. When people search on sites like Etsy, Sunfrog, or Amazon, they're looking to buy something. So how do I do this? How do I profit online with these ridiculous little trends and fads? Well, first thing I do is go to Google Trends, okay? And for example, here's flat earth. Flat earth, I guess, was at its peak around March and Feb. It seems here. And I scroll down though, there's still traffic going around with the flat earth theorists and stuff. There's documentaries, FC, I don't know what that is. Again, if you find the word associated with your trend or niche that you don't understand what it is, I highly recommend that you research and find out what it is. Okay, here's flat earther proves earth is round. Okay, maybe this is an idea for a t-shirt or something. Check this out. Flat Earth Society merch, Flat Earth Conference Dallas, Flat Earth dating site. Okay, maybe this sounds hilarious. Okay, I'm sure that there are actual flat earthers who are looking for a dating site. This could be a possible product for an app. You can also create a satirical product like this sticker. Okay, so the sky's the limit. Okay, and truth be told, when I created this, I didn't even do Google trend research at all. I just decided, hey, there's this trend going around. There's got to be search for it, search volume for it. So I just created this ridiculous sticker here, and as you can see, it sells. Okay, it's not a lot, but it trickles in. Okay, every other day. Okay, which is great. So there you go. So how do you do this? Well, you're gonna need images, right? I'm no designer. Okay, I'm no designer. I am no artist whatsoever. So I basically put things together. I put things together using images off of Pixabay. Because Pixabay is public domain. That means you don't have to pay anything, and you can use it for commercial use. That means you can sell whatever you create with whatever images you find on Pixabay. So if I were to do another flat Earth image, sticker, printable, whatever it is, I would first put Earth. I wouldn't put flat Earth. I might actually. Let's see. Let's put flat Earth. See if something comes up. Okay, flat Earth. Okay, not really. Flat Earth is as a no-go. So you're gonna have to create it yourself, like I did. Right. So you want to put in Earth. Now there's a ton of Earth images here, both photographs and vector images and illustrations. I want to go with illustrations. So go to Pixabay, go to illustrations, yeah. And here we have some illustrations. You want a background. Check this out. You want a background that is transparent, right? Transparent background. So we have all of these Earth images. Okay. Here. Okay. And then you download the images you want. Maybe you can have like I have. Check this out. I have this caveman here smashing on this Earth. So what I could do here, go to Pixabay and put a caveman. Okay, and a bunch of images. Again, images that you can use. Maybe put the Earth on this rock here. Okay. Now, how do I put these images together? Well, I go to Canva. Canva is another tool I use. Now, there are the free version. I just use the free version. I don't use the paid version, so I don't see why you should either. You want to create a template. Very simple. You go to the top of Canva. You create your free account. You create custom dimensions based off of the platform and their requirements. So let's say Etsy has dimensions. They need 1,000 pixels across, 3,000 pixels down, going down, and then you put in those. Then you put in those numbers here. So 1,000 by 3,000, and then create a new template or new design. Okay, that's what you do. So here I have a template for my t-shirts, right? So just to show you, I would upload the image of the Earth that I got from Pixabay, right? And add it here, and then I just click on the images I want, just for example's sake. Here's a little anime design of me. I'm gonna put it here, and let's say it's based off a trend. Let's say people are searching for Ike Paz hates cats. Okay, like that, and maybe put a picture of a cat. So I'd go to Pixabay and put cat. Check this out. And I would, download a picture. Download this picture of a cat. Download that. I am not a robot. Okay, download this cat picture. You know, I'm just giving you a little example here. Upload it. Upload the cat picture like the way it is, just like that. You just hear my son. He's in the background there crying. Sorry about that. If that's ruining this video for you. Something like that, right? And then, you know, I change up the fonts with this. So let's go. Maybe I'll do something like some kind of 8-bit or bit type of font. Blow that up. Maybe make that, I don't know, 300. Ike Paz hates cats. I look pretty happy here, so maybe this isn't the best one. Let's put in this one here. Blow that up. And then I download it, okay? And then I would take out the background. Now, how do you take out the background? It's very simple. You can go to a site like Remove Background. Here. Or you can download GIMP. Again, free tool. So is Remove Background's a free tool. Remove GIMP. It's like this is like Photoshop, but completely open source. I use it all the time with this little icon right here. Download that, and then just remove background. It's just a click of a button. Remove the background, all the white part, remove it, and then just upload it to your POD site, your print on demand site. Okay, and then the searches will come, the traffic will come. Remember, you're not creating anything based off what you think is a good idea. You're creating content, products based on what people are searching for. Okay, people want Flat Earth Society merch. People want dating sites for flat earthers. I mean, the sky's the limit, and this is for any trend, any fad that you see out there. If there's a TV show, now you gotta be smart with TV shows. For example, I can't straight out say Game of Thrones baby shower, because for this example, right? I can't do that because, well, I'm infringing on that IP. You don't want to do that. You want to, you know, be satirical. Game of Cradles, right? Instead of House Stark, like in the show, it's House Stork. Instead of House what is it? House Targaryen is House Trimester. House Lannister is House Lactation. You gotta play around. You gotta be smart if you're gonna create content or products like T-shirts and mugs around IPs, right? So there you go. That's how you make money with these types of products. I do this on a daily basis. Okay, these are just a few of my income streams I'm sharing with you here. Again, if you want to learn how to do this exact same thing, check out the link below and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, have a great day, be good, and talk to you soon. Bye bye. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe.